Hello friends, today's chapter is nutrition and nutrients. Before I start this chapter, I introducing myself. I am Tanushree Pal. I completed my BSc in food and nutrition from Calcutta University and also pursuing my last year MSc course in applied nutrition from AIIH and PH. Now what is nutrition? Nutrition is a basic human need and prerequisite to healthy life. From where we get nutrition? From food we get nutrition. Food contain the nutrients which provide the nutrition. The definition of nutrition: nutrition is the science of food, the nutrients and other substances they are in, their action, interaction and balance and relationship to health and disease. It also process by which the organism ingested, absorb, transport and utilizes nutrients and excreted the end product. Now what is nutrient? Nutrient I discussed before. The nutrients are the constituent of food that must be supplied to the body in suitable amount. Here I classified the 5 major nutrients such as carbohydrate, protein, fat, vitamins and minerals. Here the source should be given: carbohydrate from the cereals, proteins from the flesh food, egg, meat, fish, lipid from the lipid from the oil, ghee, margarine, etc. Vitamins and minerals should be given by only vegetables and fruits. Now here they discuss the food pyramid. The food pyramid for Indians, food pyramids from NIN Hyderabad. The pyramid is divided into 4 levels of food according to the recommended consumption. At the base should be eaten sufficiently. Here the food included the cereals and pulses. Eat liberally. The next step: eat liberally fruits and vegetables. Also eat liberally and eat moderately. Here the flesh food and oils. Okay. At the top, highly processed food like junk food, high salted foods, sugar, fat should be ingested sparingly. No use tobacco and also alcohol. Now discuss the carbohydrates. The carbohydrates definition: we know it is the sugar of polymers of sugar such as starch that can be hydrolyzed to simple sugar. Their action of digestive enzyme hydrolyze simple sugar by the action of digestive enzyme or by heating or dilute acid. The function of the carbohydrate, the source of energy. First, I discussed the 1 gram carbohydrate, sugar or starch, when oxidized yield 4 kilocalorie. And it is also source of energy for heart muscle and brain. Role in synthesis: DNA and RNA. DNA and RNA, the ribose sugar of DNA and RNA also synthesized by carbohydrate. Protein sparing action. What is protein sparing action? This function of carbohydrate of serving as a source of energy and preventing dietary protein from being oxidized is called protein sparing action. And some of amino acids are synthesized by glucose. The sources of carbohydrate: cereals and cereal product, sugar, jaggery, jelly, sagu, dates, potato, etc. Proteins. What is the protein? Protein is a nitrogen containing constituent of food. Protein help in Protein help in growth and maintenance of tissue, including building of muscle, can occur only when the appropriate mixture of amino acid is available over and above the amount needed for the maintenance and repair existing tissue. Next, defense and detoxification. The body's ability to fight off infection depends on its immune system, which is defensive protein known as antibodies. The specific antibodies is required for specific antigen. Whenever required, the body produces antibody quickly. Next, the formation of essential body compounds, including many of hormones such as insulin, ghrelin, growth hormone produced by various glands in the body from protein and peptides. Next, regulation of water balance. The fluid in the body distributed in intercellular and extracellular compartments. We all know the extracellular is divided into intracellular between the cells and intravascular compartments. The balance between the compartment is achieved by dissolved protein and dissolved ions, primarily sodium, potassium ion. Protein molecules in the blood are too large to pass out the blood into the intracellular space, exert an oncotic pressure, drawing water from the intercellular space back into the blood. The sources of protein from egg, meat, fish, soybean, dal, milk. Now discuss the fat. Fat, it is the either ester of fatty acid or substance capable of forming such ester. It also soluble such as ether, chloroform, boiling alcohol, benzenes, but also insoluble in water. The function of fat, essential constituent of cell. Fat present not only the outer membranes but also it present the inner membrane of the nucleus and endoplasmic reticulum and other membrane bound the organelles. Next, the absorption of fat soluble vitamins. It also absorbs the vitamins such as vitamin A, D, E, K, also fat soluble vitamins. Energy reserve. Fat also act as an energy stored in the body. 1 gram fat oxidized to yield 9 kilocalorie and the protector. The sources of fat: ghee, oil, butter, nuts and avocado. Vitamins is the essential compound or organic compound occurring in small quantities in the different natural foods and necessary for the growth and maintenance and good healthy bodies. Vitamins, there are many vitamins present in natural foods and play variety role which is important for growth and living well. Vitamins should be classified into two broad groups, water soluble and fat soluble vitamins. Each vitamin has each function. Like vitamin A also plays a role for vision function. Vitamin K for synthesis of some needed for the synthesis of blood clotting factor, as well as vitamin B12. It should be needed for the blood formation. Most of the vitamins, as earlier we should read, most of the vitamins are found in fruits and vegetables, meat, fish, and very little amount in cereal and pulses. Mineral is a solid homogeneous crystalline compound that results from the inorganic process of nature. Same as vitamin, it should be two types: macro and micro minerals. Macro minerals, calcium, magnesium, and also the micro iron. It had each minerals has play an important role for our body. Minerals such as iron for synthesis. Iron is needed to synthesis of blood and RBC formation. calcium for bone growth, sodium for extracellular and fluid. And the sources of the minerals: milk, leafy vegetables, other vegetables, fish, egg, fruits. Lastly, the thank you for visiting my channel. If you want to meet me, please my institution at Shalkia, Howrah, and Posho, Radhamohanpur and Balichok, West Medinapur. Contact me for private tuition for the subject nutrition class 11 to 12 and honors in food and nutrition, clinical nutrition and dietetics from any universities. Mobile number 7318 718 682. If possible, please subscribe, like and share my channels. Thank you.